Hi guys, welcome to the Let's Design channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this exercise. And this exercise name is Shifter Guide. Okay, this is the dimension for this part. Let's make a modeling part now. Well, this is the interface from Solidworks. And I want to start from a front plane and go to normal 2. For the next step, I want to click a circle and start from this point. Then I want to click the smart dimension and set a diameter for this circle. It is 10 mm. Then click OK. For the next step, I want to click a line but change the for construction and make it horizontal. Right click and select. Then I want to add new line too and change to for construction. Right click and select. Then I want to set the angle for this line and it is 45 mm degrees. Then click OK. For the next step, and I want to add a 3-point arc slot and start from this point until to this position. Then click the sketch and then I want to set the radius from the sketch and it is 0.81 mm. Then I want to add a 3-point arc slot now and then start from this point until to this point. Then select to the sketch and change the dimension and it is 0.88 mm. Then click OK. Yep, click OK from the dialog box. For the next step, and I want to make a line. Then I want to make horizontal and vertical line. Right click and select, and I want to change the dimension. For the horizontal, it is 0.5 mm. Then from the vertical one, and it is 0.69 mm. And then click OK. But I want to change the line for construction. Then click OK. Then I want to add a line. There are two circles. For the smallest circle, and the diameter is 0.6 to 5 mm. Then click a circle for the bigger and set the diameter is 1 mm. Then click OK. Okay. For the next step, and I want to make the circle too from this point and set the diameter for this line and it is 3 mm. Then click OK. Well, and I want to make the offset from this line by click this line. Then I want to click offset entities. Then set a value is 0.81 mm. Then click OK. Well, if you want to make for this one too, and just click for the same way. Click this line and then click offset entities, and I want, if the preview is inside from the sketch, and I want to click a reverse, then click OK. Let's delete the unnecessary line by click the trim entities and make sure select trim to close, then click for this sketch. Okay, well, and I want to lengthen this line, just click trim entities and make sure trim to close, click to this line until to this line. Okay, the preview will like this, then click OK. And I want to add a new line, new circle, and click OK. Click to this area, and I want to click this circle by click the control, press and hold, then select to this line, then choose the tangent for the next step, and I want to make the same way to this line. Click tangent. Well, let's set a diameter value for this circle, and it is 2 mm. Then click OK. For the next step, I want to make a line start from this point until this position, right click and select, and make it a vertical, and I want to set from this point just to this side line, right click and select, and give the distance from this line, from this point, it is 1 mm. Then click OK. For the next step, I want to make the for construction line to for construction line by click to this line and to this line too, and checklist for construction line, then click OK. Well, and I want to delete unnecessary line, and I want to delete this one too. Then I want to click fillet and set a value is 0.5 mm. Then click to this area, then click OK. For the next step, and I want to click a line and make a vertical line, until this, right click and select, and I want to set a distance to this line, and it is 1.25 mm. Then click OK. And let's delete for unnecessary line by click trim entities. Then I want to start from this circle, then I want to and I want to click this line, then just click the delete from keyboard button, and I want to delete this one. Yes. For the next step, I want to trim entities, then click to this line too. Click for all the ancestry line. Well, the sketch, and I want to make a fillet from this edge by click fillet, then set of value is 0.5 mm for radius, then click to this line and click to this line too, then click OK. Click the same way to this line too, then click OK. You will see the sketch is deleted, and then I want to connect by click trim entities, then trim to close, then click the sketch and connect to this line. Makes the same way to this sketch, and then click OK. For the next step, let's give the thickness from the sketch by click the feathers and then extrude boss. Let's zoom in, then change to midplane. For the first one, I want to extrude both this sketch, but set of value is 75 mm, then click to this sketch. I'm sorry, not 75 but 0.75, then click OK. Click this toggle and click the sketch and click the extrude boss, then click to this and change to midplane for the direction, then change the value is 0.50 mm, then click from the sketch, then click OK. Well, for the next step, let's make a new plane by click the surface, then click a reference geometry, then click plane, and set of value is 12 mm. I'm sorry, 0.12 mm, then then click Flip Offset, then click OK. Change to isometric view. Okay. Then I want to make a sketch for this plane. By click this plane, right click and click sketch, then click this sketch. Then I want to make it and I want to convert. Okay. For the next step, I want to give the thickness from this sketch by click of features, extrude boss, then click to this sketch and select to this sketch too, and change to up to surface, then select to this surface, then click OK. For the next step, I want to extrude cut from this sketch by click this sketch and click extrude cut, then select to this sketch and make the depth is 0.12 millimeter, then click OK. For the next step, I want to hide this plane, then I want to make a new hole in this surface by click on normal tool, then click a sketch and click just click a line, then for construction, and I want to start from this point until this point. Right click, select, and right click, and I want to select a midpoint from this line and make a circle. Then I want to set the dimension for the diameter is 0.25 millimeter. Then I want to click feathers, then extrude cut, and set the depth is 0.38 millimeter. Then click OK. Well, the part is done. If you want to change the appearance, you can click this icon for the example. I want to make it metal, steel, polished steel. Then I want to set the color is I want to set the color is like orange, then click OK. Yep, finally the part is done. I hope you like this video and support this channel. See you next time.